If you're in the unfortunate situation where you found out your spouse is cheating on you, how is that going to affect your divorce? In a no-fault divorce, oftentimes you'll see in a decree the word insupportability. Insupportability is just Texas's catch-all term for it didn't work out. In Texas, infidelity may create an issue in which a spouse is awarded a disproportionate share of the community estate. As a reminder, Texas is a community property state, so anything acquired during the course of your marriage is presumed to be community property. There's nothing in the Texas Family Code that specifically says the property amongst the parties should be split 50-50. However, adultery may be a grounds to ask the court for a disproportionate share of the community estate. What that really means is if you believe your spouse's cheating should entitle you to more than 50% of the estate, you need to prove why that's the case. Adultery is a very strong allegation, and in order to prove it, you need to present the evidence to the court with really strong facts. You may need to show text messages, emails, or an eyewitness account of proof that the spouse is in fact cheating. Unfortunately, the judges here in Texas do hear tales of infidelity very often. So while it may be something they take into consideration when dividing the estate amongst the parties, don't assume that it's going to create a large disproportionate share. Just because your spouse is cheating doesn't mean the case may go 70-30 or 80-20 as far as property division. It may end up just swaying it a percentage point or two, if at all. Concerning custody, infidelity will also be taken into consideration when the court needs to see if the decisions made by a spouse are going to contribute to how their decision-making will be for their children moving forward. If a party is committing infidelity, the court is still going to use the grounds of the best interest of the child to make their determination as far as possession and access is concerned. Just because a party is a bad spouse doesn't necessarily mean the court believes them to be a bad parent. If you have more questions about how your spouse's infidelity may affect you in your divorce, feel free to reach out to us or take a look at our website at familytexas.com.